front. We're just acting. And now we are here to Lemerisian Hotel. It's the way out from Western City, Bahrain. And now we're going back home. And this is the way out. And this is the... What are these?
Different time zones.
Different time zones, yeah. Where is the Philippines timing here?
We are not famous. They have the France and...
The France, where is the France? You've just
I
been
think
there,
it's... Yes.
right?
I think it's less than
And this is
5
Bahrain
hours.
time.
No, 4 hours.
This is Bahrain time or what?
No, Bahrain time we are. No, it's not. It's 7 o'clock.
Now
It's 10 o'clock.
This is the Bahrain time. No.
They should be putting the...
No, I think this
Country.
is like...
I think that's the one.
no, these are all Bahrain. The view at this kind of time, how is the weather look like?
It's like the timeline ba tawag dyan? See, spoken in dollars.
So these are all Bahrain
Yeah.
pictures.
Yeah.
I thought different time zones.
I think this displays the different time zone of different...
What's going on in Bahrain?
Yeah.
Charot.
So these are all Bahrain pictures?
Yes.
I'm sorry guys, we are very much knowledgeable of what we are saying. So just please bear with us. And anyway, still we are heading on.
Anyway, highway.
And on the way. All the way. See how nice the Lemerisian. It is in between Lemerisian Way to Western Bahrain City Center. See the marble type. This is what they call it. This is the marble type, not the agonite or not the granite or the marble. What is this? Of course, this is not the Ceramic style. This is yeah, this is marble type.
Are you a construction worker or something?
That's amazing, my God. And
Te.
toilet.
Te.
Yeah, this is there. Lovely.
Oh, very nice.
And must be horizontal.
Again?
I like this. Oh, we are
I keep forgetting.